welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I have a wonderful box for you today, and it's going to fix my sweet tooth. So this box is called Nellies Sweet Shoppe, and it says take time to enjoy each day. So, as I said, this box is all about the sweet parts. This box is perfect, a perfect gift for someone special. Delicious fudge, caramels, taffy, and specialty chocolates. This box that I received today is the Fudge and More variety box, and this box is $29.75 a month. It says our sweet monthly box will arrive at your door every month containing two squares of amazing fudge, one square of our traditional flavors, chocolate, chocolate walnut, peanut butter chocolate, etc. One square of our feature flavors, pumpkin toffee, candy cane, white chocolate cranberry, red velvet, Irish cream, raspberry lemonade, dark chocolate, caramel sea salt, etc. Our creamy caramels, vanilla, sea salt, chocolate, pecan, mocha, etc. Salt water taffy. Love some saltwater taffy. And that can come in caramel apple, peppermint, hot chocolate, root beer float, etc. And then the specialty chocolates. I love chocolate. And that can come in English almond toffee, giant peanut butter cups. I love peanut butter too. mint melt-aways, dark chocolate honeycomb, caramel cashew, giant turtles. And then it says new feature flavors each month. Take time to enjoy the day. And then they offer 3 different boxes, and one box, the first box is I love fudge, 2 squares please, and that is $11.95. And then they have another box called I love fudge, 6 squares please, $23.95. And then the one that I received, as I already told ya, Fudge and More variety box, $29.75. So these, come on, my iPad is being crazy right now. Anyway, this is going to be an amazingly sweet experience. So, Nellies Delicious Fudge is a second-generation family tradition. You can choose from those 3 boxes, and everyone on your list will love it, and so will you. And you have an opportunity to earn a free treat in your next box. There are nut-free options, and they do have new flavors every month. So, let's get into this box. This is going to be yummy. Yummy experience for me. Here is what you see when you open the box. And there's a pamphlet. We're going to go over that. And this says, my fudge has arrived. Now what? Fudge is most flavorful when stored at room temperature. During warm weather, your fudge may be soft. Please leave it at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours before enjoying. Oh, I would have to restrain myself. Here's your fudge. Now wait 1 to 2 hours. But if it's better after you wait, then I shall wait, right? And it's already been well over 2 hours. Fudge should not be stored in the refrigerator. Now that is something that I did not know. So you keep it covered or loosely wrapped to avoid drying out. To freeze, wrap the fudge in foil, put it in a Ziploc bag, and it will freeze for up to a year. Simply unwrap, allow to come to room temperature, and enjoy. Nice little tips there. I love that. I love that they gave us little tips on how to store our fudge. So let's move back to tissue paper. And isn't that just the most dreamy looking box ever, ever, and ever? OMG. This is going to be fun. Okay, so now we'll show you the pamphlet. This is the 2 curators, and I believe, yep, that is Harley and Rana. and they are the curators of this box. And it says, we sure hope that you love your Nellies subscription box and that you'll share that love with your family and friends on social media. Be sure to tag us and we will include a thank you treat in your next box. So that's how you can get a free treat in your next box. If there is ever a problem or concern, please let us know and allow us to make it right for you. Thanks so much, Harley and Rana. And then here on the back, this is what is in my box. This is very cool, and I will make sure to leave all of their social media, the address, everything will be right in the description bar for you guys to find. Also, there will be a link for you to click on to go get yourself some fudge, because I ain't sharing mine. You know how I am, I don't ever share. Okay, so let's look at this. We are going to break open these saltwater taffies. And there it is, all packaged up nice and neat. And the two flavors that I received are caramel apple and candy corn. Can you tell which one is caramel apple and which one is candy corn? Isn't that just the cutest? Look, it looks like a piece of candy corn, and that looks like a caramel apple. Let's see if I can get this open. This may not fare very well on my teeth, but it's gonna be okay. All right, I'm a big fan of caramel apple, so let's see if I can break off a piece. I don't know. Oh yeah, I can. Ugh. All right, now. Oh wow. It tastes just like a caramel apple. That is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Love it. That is very good. Now, I love me some saltwater taffy. This is amazing. It's probably one of the best pieces of saltwater taffy I've had. And it just like melts right in your mouth, and it's not so hard. You know, some taffies you get and it's like rock hard. Not this. Once you pop it in your mouth and it just starts to just soften right up, and it is amazing. That is amazing. I love that. Love it. Love it. I won't be trying both pieces, but I wanted to try one piece of that. And then we have caramels. This is a bag of their caramels, and this is creamy vanilla flavored caramel. How do you guys say it? Caramel, caramel? I know I've been told I say it weird, but I'm from New York State. Caramel, that's how you say it. I know some people say caramel, and I always think they sound weird too, but I say caramel. Let's break a piece. Oh, wow, look at that. OMG. Oh, That is amazing. Nice and soft. It is just dissolving right in my mouth. That is something I appreciate about caramel. When it just dissolves, and it's not hard. Amazing. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's really good. I like that. That is really good. There it is, individually wrapped. Very nice. Did I show you the close-up of these ones? Probably not. There's a candy corn toffee, or taffy, and a caramel apple. That's really good. That was stupendous. Okay, so now we have specialty chocolate. Ooh, and this is Almond Toffee. Look at that. Is just OMG. Oh, I'm losing some of it. Let me see if I can break a little piece off here. That looks amazing. Let me take a piece out. Look at that. Big chunk of OMG is what it is. That's what it is. Let's see if I can break a piece. I don't want to break my teeth. Ow! Broke a piece. Oh my. Mmm. Mmm. That's really good. And it just crumbles. Mmm. Mmm. Amazing. Little slivers of almond on there. And that toffee. That's really good. It just melts in your mouth. It's not hard. It's not. And it's not really sticking to my teeth. And the chocolate has such a great taste. That's yummy. Okay. And here's our last thing. You want to see what's in there? This is going to be yummy. This is my fudge. This is chocolate walnut and pumpkin toffee. Went down the wrong tube. And then you get your own little knife and your own little box of cuteness. Let me take it out of here so I can show you what it looks like. Okay. Oh wow, that is super soft. Yes. Oh. Okay, so I'm showing you the pumpkin toffee. That is a very thick piece. I'm going to cut a little sliver off here. Come on. Come on out of there. Okay, there's what it looks like. Where I just cut it off. Let's try. That pumpkin flavor is not, it's not overwhelming. It's just a slight little punch. And then the sweetness and that chocolate on top just adds to the divine flavor of this pumpkin toffee fudge. That is super amazing. Amazing. If the chocolate is as good as this pumpkin, this box is a win-win in my book. And this would be a perfect Christmas gift. Perfect. For those people out there that have a loved one that has the super sweet tooth like moi. Because I do, I am just, I'm addicted to sugar. I am, I admit it. That's you know, part of recovery. Admitting you have a problem, right? Yeah, and I do have a problem with sugar. There is the chocolate walnut. You can see the walnut right there. Oh goodness, that is, oh my goodness. Let's try this. Ugh. Oh, I got some pumpkin on there still, but there is the chocolate walnut flavor. Oh wow. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mmm. Amazing. And you know how you get some fudge, it's like just dried out and it's hard. And it's so sweet that it makes your teeth hurt before you even get to eat it. Well, that's not this fudge at all. This fudge is creamy. It's sweet, but it's not so sweet that your teeth hurt. It's the perfect fudge. It is. It's the perfect fudge. I said it. even over my own fudge. It's the perfect fudge. It is absolutely a melt in your mouth, magical taste. It's amazing. It's amazing. So if you guys would like to get your own Nellies Sweet Shoppe treats, did I say that right? Sweet Shoppe, yes. Nellies Sweet Shoppe. Go ahead and click that link down below and get yourself one of these boxes, because Lord knows they're not going to last long, because people are going to find out about this and then they're going to take it all and you're just going to be left out in the cold with no fudge. So you better get on it. Hit that link down there and get yourself one of these boxes. Amazing. Amazing. It's better than my own fudge. There, I said it. It is amazing. So, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there, and don't forget to go check out Nellies Sweet Shoppe. I will leave you the link, because that's just the kind of girl I am. I want to share. I can't share this, but I can share the link so you can get your own. And then you don't have to share either. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video real soon. I hope that you have an awesome rest of your day. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I'll see you in my next video real soon.